Welcome to this step-by-step guide on how to publish your draft pages in WordPress. In just a few minutes, you'll learn how to make your draft pages go live quickly and easily. To start, open your web browser and go to your WordPress website. Once the site loads, look at the top right corner of the page and click on the login option. This is where you'll access your WordPress account to manage your website content. When the login page appears, select Continue with Google. This simple method saves time and eliminates the need to remember a separate username or password. Choose your preferred Google account from the list and you'll be redirected to your WordPress dashboard. Now that you're logged in, take a look at the menu on the left-hand side of your dashboard, find and click on the option labeled Pages. This section displays all the pages of your website, both published and drafts. Take a moment to scroll through the list until you find the page you want to publish. You'll notice that draft pages are clearly marked with the word draft beside their titles, making them easy to identify. Once you've located your draft, hover your mouse pointer over the title of the page. A few quick options will appear below the title. Instead of opening the page completely, click on Quick Edit. This convenient feature in WordPress allows you to make small but important changes without having to load the full editor. Inside the Quick Edit view, look for the field labeled Status. You'll see a drop-down menu next to it. Click the drop-down and change the setting from Draft to Published. This action tells WordPress that your page is ready to go live and can now be viewed by visitors on your website. After selecting Published, make sure to save your changes. To do that, click the Update button at the bottom right of the Quick Edit box. WordPress will process your update, and in just a few seconds, your page will be published. You can confirm this by checking the page list again. The draft label will disappear and your page will now be listed as published. That's all it takes. In only a few minutes, you've successfully turned a draft into a live page. Thank you for watching this tutorial on how to publish draft pages in WordPress. Now you can confidently navigate your dashboard, update your content, and keep your website running smoothly. Happy posting!